Is affordable housing coming to your neighborhood? Here are some things to look forward to. Affordable homes are gorgeous, inside and out. They can feature amenities like playgrounds, parks, game rooms, courtyards, and walking trails. Many times, the land used for a new development is underutilized anyway. The new development can truly beautify and add vibrancy to this unused land and the entire neighborhood. Affordable housing users are healthcare professionals, emergency workers, teaching assistants, retail workers, landscapers, artists, and so much more. Affordable homes ensure that these valuable neighbors can live in the same neighborhood where they work and keep their spending and their tax dollars right here in Fairfax County. Whenever a new development is proposed, the whole community is part of the process. Fairfax County takes community engagement very seriously. The planning and zoning process includes opportunities to provide ideas. This not only addresses common concerns, such as traffic, schools, or infrastructure, but the input can also elevate the amenities a new development brings to the neighborhood. Thanks to resident feedback, many of our new developments resulted in things the whole community can enjoy, such as new parks, trails, gathering spaces, athletic courts, and playgrounds. Investments in affordable housing add local tax dollars and local spending, thereby boosting the local economy. Find out more about affordable housing in Fairfax County. Visit us at fcrha.org.